Another example po ng integration of inverse trigonometric function ay itong si integral of e to the 3x over 9 plus 4e to the 6x dx. So the first thing na gagawin po ninyo is to make sure na naka-square po yung denominator natin. So we will rewrite that one as e to the 3x all over. Itong si 9 ay magiging 3 squared. Okay, plus. Tapos, itong si 4, e to the 6x, ay magiging 2, e to the 3x, tapos, parenthesis, raised to 2. Ganyan. Tapos, dx. So, dito, our a now, or our constant is si 3, at yung u natin ay si 2e to the 3x. So, if we will take the derivative of our u, so that's du, that will become 2e to the 3x times 3. Diba? Times 3 dx. So, that will be 3 times 2, that is now 6. So, basically, magiging 6e to the 3x dx. And take note sa taas, we have e to the 3x. So, divide lang natin to ng 6. Okay? So, let's divide it by 6 both sides. So, that will become du over 6. Wait lang. dx dx. Okay? So, itong sa taas, that is now your du over 6. This one here, that's your du over 6. 6. Ayan siya. Tapos yung baba, that's your a and your u. Okay? So, basically, ito ay arctangent. Okay, arctangent siya. So, ang answer natin will now become 1 over a. So, lagyan natin dito sa baba. 1 over a. So, over 6. Okay. So, times 1/3 kasi 1 over a. Arctan of u over a. So, atong u is 2 e to the 3x. So, our a is 3 plus c. So, yun na po yung ating final answer.